I think what you're talking about is a allocation type of geocoding. So what we do, and this is done during the export actually, is we look at the total amount of the freight, and then we look at the total line items of the different GLs that are being billed. And we say, okay, this GL is 51% of the invoice total. So 51% of the freight is going to go to that GL, and the other 49 is going to go to the second GL that's being billed. We can do it either to the billed GL, meaning the one that's on the purchase order, or if you have other logic such as, trade out the account number for a freight account number or something like that, we can do that as well.
Okay, thank you. That answers my question for that specific example. Another example I wanted to bring up was, I think you briefly answered it, but I just want to double check. For example, our raw material invoices, we have tax exemption. However, occasionally we have freight or shipping charges associated with it. Would the system be able to, for example, let's say we ordered 100 bags of sugar for $10 each, so that's $1,000, and then freight was $250. Would we be able to use the system to add back that $250 into the total of the raw material and then divide it to give us a new unit price?
To the purchase order or just to the GL?
The invoice, the GL entry.
The GL entry, yes.
Yeah.
The purchase order, we wouldn't update the purchase order, but by GL, it would go back into that item's GL costing, yes.
Okay. Those are my two main questions for now. Thank you.